Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In the video, I will show you and tell you how you can share someone else's Instagram post to your history. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write comments. And let's get started. So we open the Instagram application with you. After that, we need to find a post that we would like to put in our stories. When we find a post that we like it, underneath the post, we'll find this airplane sign like this, and we click on it, and then down in the bottom left-hand corner we click Add to Story. Now, what can we do with this post? We can write some text. We can also add some emotion. We can do different manipulations with the text. We can change the text as we like. We can change the color of the text. We can also add some music that we would like. For example, if we click on a song, we can see that it's playing. And we can add it if we want to. We can also draw something, for example. We can also, if we click on this second sign here, where we can choose our location, we can tag someone. We can choose GIFs. We can choose avatars. We can also choose polls. We can add time and very much more. For example, if I want to add someone, mention someone, I just have to type in how that person is signed. And now we'll have that person mentioned. And let's say if I want to select a time. Now I have the time. And we can also add very many things. Let's say if I choose this sign, then when people click on it, they'll put a reaction to your story. It's like this. After you've done all the manipulation that you wanted to do, you can put stories. And now someone's publication will be in your story. All you have to do is wait a few seconds for the story to be published. But what do you do if there is no airplane sign under someone's publication? This means that the person has restricted access to their publications, that they either have this feature to share their publication and stories disabled, or the person has a private page and this feature is restricted. What if you too have this feature restricted, but you want people to share your publications to their stories? To do that, you need to go to your profile. And here we need to click on these three bars at the top. And then we go to Settings. And this is where we start by selecting Account Privacy. If the private account is enabled, then we won't be able to share our posts with other people. We also need to check one more feature. To do that, we scroll down a little bit in the settings and find Sharing and Remixes. Click on that. And then we have a section like this. Allow sharing and remixes in history. And you need to have this feature turned on and activated like I do. If it's off, then activate it so that people can share your posts and your reels in their history. That's how very simple you can share someone else's post to yourself in a story on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to write your comments, also put likes, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.